In mere moments or minutes, that box right in the center of the screen is going to be opened, and you get a very special, intimate look right now at what is soon to be the production center of the film universe in Anacortes. And all great things are going to start right here. And the start will be taking what's in that box out of that box so that we can make films and become an actual, honest to God film studio, which will be nice since the technology and the cost for entry, the barrier for entry to make your own films has lowered to the point where even complete destitute and poverty stricken people such as myself can begin their very own film studio. And here we go. Coming up